Hello there, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be making a fence for my router table using a 2x6 and some 90-degree ankle brackets. To save time, I already have measured everything out. The fence should be the same width as the router table. Step 1, we'll be using a miter box to cut the fence to the desired width. For step 2, I measured a 1 inch and will drill a 1 3/8 hole from there. When using a hole saw, it is a good idea to drill part way through and flip it over and then to get a cleaner cut.
Go.
Step 3, using a scroll saw, I will cut out a notch for when doing edge routing. For the final step, I attach 90-degree ankle brackets to adjust the fence.
Okay.
Now that we got the fence clamped down, we're going to see how well it works.
Go.
And there you have it, a fence for your router, for my router table. If this tutorial was helpful, hit the like button. I'll see you next time.